हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू ट्रैवल फॉर्मेशन। भालो आछो। आई होप कि आपको हमारा प्रीवियस एपिसोड पसंद आया होगा। आज मैं आपको लेके चलती हूँ नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया का एक ब्यूटीफुल लोकेशन जिसका नाम है सिक्किम, बट नॉट द यूजुअल वे सिंस वी आर ट्रैवल फॉर्मेशन, कंप्लीट डिफरेंट वे। तो वैसे हम लोग जर्नी कहीं भी घूमने जाते हैं तो बाई बस, बाई ट्रेन और भी बहुत तरीके से जाते हैं, लेकिन आज का जो हमारा सफ़र है वो कंप्लीट डिफरेंट है, विच इज़ बाई बाइक। सुनते ही लगता है कि वाव, दिस अनदर एक्साइटिंग एंड द एडवेंचरस जर्नी। तो हमारे इस सफ़र में हमारे साथ थे 3 बाइक और हमारे थे 6 रोडीज। और हमने शुरू किया अपना सफ़र कोलकाता से लेके सिक्किम तक, विच इज़ रफली अराउंड 600 किलोमीटर्स। दुर्गापुर एक्सप्रेस हाईवे, ये रोड आपको दिल्ली, बॉम्बे भी कनेक्ट करता है एंड अदर पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री एज वेल व्हेन यू ट्रैवल फ्रॉम द हावड़ा। तो जैसे मैंने बताया 600 किलोमीटर्स इज़ अ वेरी लॉन्ग जर्नी। तो देखते हैं हमारा फर्स्ट स्टॉप कौन सा पड़ता है। आप हमारे साथ बने रहिए इस जर्नी में। तो हमारा फर्स्ट स्टॉप था शांति निकेतन, दी रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर शांति निकेतन, द प्लेस वेयर पीपल comes from across the world to learn and to know about the art and literature. So after a long day journey, because we have started our journey from Kolkata around 7 o'clock in the morning and we reached roughly around 8 o'clock in the night, or like say evening. So we just had our first halt in the Farakka. We stayed and next day we travel our journey again. After a good night's sleep, we started our day 2 from the Farakka. आप देख सकते हो कि हम लोग फरक्का ब्रिज से पास हो गए। नीचे आप जो नदी बहती हुई देख रहे हो, ये यहाँ पे बेसिकली संगम हो रहा है। एक है पद्मा नदी जो आ रही है बांग्लादेश से, और एक है गंगा जो वेस्ट बंगाल से बह रही है। यहाँ पे दोनों का संगम हो रहा है। आप देखोगे तो वो 2 डिफरेंट कलर्स में भी है। So after Farakka bridge, we reached to Malda, which is also known as a gateway of North Bengal. So, after a long journey on day 2, we reached the mountains and we ended our journey in Kalimpong. ओके, मैंने आपको बताना भूल गई कि हमारी जर्नी जब हमने शुरू की थी, विच वॉज द मंथ जनवरी। सो आप समझ सकते हो कि इट वॉज चिली नाइट एंड द कड़ाके की ठंडी इन द मॉर्निंग। सो डे 3 वी स्टार्टेड विद बैंग। वाओ, इट वॉज सच अ ब्यूटीफुल जर्नी, बट इट वॉज सो फ्रीजिंग कोल्ड एंड इन द बाइक वी ऑल हैव लाइक हैंड्स एंड फीट, एवरीथिंग इज फ्रोजन, बट द सीनिक ब्यूटी, it's like you can see Himalayan ranges on one point, you can see beautiful viewpoints. Like journey is so spectacular to our beautiful location in Sikkim called Rawangla, which is very offbeat location, hardly people travels there. Since we are travel formation, we would love to go and explore all the place which is unseen, untouched. Rawangla is roughly around 7,000 feet above from the sea level. और हमारी जर्नी फ्रॉम कालीपोंग टू रावंगला was so beautiful, जहाँ पे हमने ब्यूटीफुल व्यू पॉइंट्स देखे, ब्यूटीफुल सीनरीज देखे और हिमालय के कुछ रेंजेस भी देखे, विच वॉज वेरी स्पेक्टाकुलर व्यू। एंड विद द बाइक दिस जर्नी इज इवन मोर ब्यूटीफुल because you can feel the air, you can really feel the complete different view altogether. But that itself is a very beautiful experience altogether, as well as the beautiful adventure, I would say. वैसे तो जब भी हम लोग सिक्किम जाते हैं तो वी विजिट लाइक अ वेरी पॉपुलर प्लेस लाइक अ पेलिंग, गैंगटॉक. But Ravangla is another beautiful, like hidden gem in Sikkim, which is not basically a tourist hub. But since we are travel formation, we have a different eye for detail, I would say, and which will be like we see the destination which is not seen, which is not so that popular. So that's why we have chosen Ravangla. So after this exciting journey through the mountains, we reached our final destination, Barfong Resort, which is in Ravangla. Hotel has very spacious and beautiful cottages, very comfortable bed, and they have beautiful barbecue place. We ended our day there with a very delicious and nice meal. Wow! We woke up to this amazing and mesmerizing view of the Himalayan right from our room. Look at this sun. It's like kissing the snow-capped Himalayan range. Makes the ambience just breathtaking. Friends, I hold my word for you to enjoy this spectacular view. During our stay, we have caught up with the management team. And what amazing, we get to know that they have hired those staff who are working for the hotel are basically from the nearby local village in order to give them employment, as well as they preparing them for the future so they can go to another state, another cities, maybe in a big cities like Gangtok and all, and can have the career in the hospitality or maybe some other industry as well. Such a noble act, they are doing their bit to giving back to the society. So after our breakfast, we were thought let's just explore the Ravangla village. So few of our friends go on a bike, some of them are exploring the surrounding areas, and we reached to nearby village called Cuisine. So near this Cuisine village, we have come across to this Doling Monastery. In Sikkim, you will find a lot of monastery. This is one of them. In Cuisine village, we have explored the place. So we met some of the local people. They shown their livelihood. They shown their farms and all. Very nice, very humble people, very kind people, very approachable and very friendly people. In fact, you know what? They actually offered us a tea even without asking for it. ফাঁকা মাঠে হাত পাও ছড়িয়ে আকাশকে দেখো, মাঝে কোনো আড়াল থাকে না, দিনটা মনে রেখো. While exploring this village, Cuisine village, near to Ravangla, we met the local people. They're very, I would say very humble. They're very happy to see. As well as we have given the chocolate to the kids and all. They're taking it very gracefully and thanking us as well. I mean, it's so beautiful feeling, So after we returned to the hotel, and that's where management team informed us that 26th January on India's Republic Day, they're organizing a small charity event for orphanage kids. So during this charity event, we spent really memorable time with the kids. The hotel has organized a lot more activities, so it was very fun-filled day. We danced, we had a lot of fun, we did some activities, lot of competitions. So there are a lot more things to do with those kids and beautiful, cheerful face whole day. It was one of the beautiful incident, I would say. So I'm so happy to be part of this event and happy to be chosen Ravangla, because if I have not chosen this place, I wouldn't have gone through this incident or this beautiful incident which I will remember throughout my life. Salute to the hotel team. After this satisfying day, We had our dinner with the amazing hotel management team, including owner, and we thank them to giving us the opportunity to be part of this charity event and as well as their contribution to the society. So after memorable journey, it's time to go back home. You know what? I'll leave you guys with this Tista River view, which looks very calm right now, but during monsoon it's very dangerous. Thank you so much guys for being with us during this Sikkim road journey. I'll be back with another beautiful episode with you. Till then, take care, be safe. Please like and subscribe my channel and please give your comment as well. Take care. Bye. Tata.